the radar screen, but I don't think we got them. I think they jumped out before the grenade hit.
What? That's impossible. Briareos doesn't have the power to be that mobile.
Now what?
I was thinking we blow the living shit out of them.
Oh yeah, I like that.
There it is! You got away! Chase them!
Sniper fire, 11 o'clock.
Nah, big deal. It ain't gonna hurt us. Let's stay focused on getting Briareos.
Do you think they'll be okay?
I think they're both very capable.
You're making me waste my ammo, you hunk of junk! Holy shit! I'm sick of his cat and mouse game. Get the fast little honey out the way now!